Hey everybody, it's Jeremy from HTL, and they got some, Lightburn's got some stuff out, and we're looking at, 2.0, Lightburn 2.0. All right, so I am not a computer specialist. I know nothing about computers, which is very surprising that I even jumped into doing laser stuff a few years ago. But I'm learning, and I can, once I get a program down, I generally stick to a few little things that gets the job done. I don't like to explore and mess my brain up with all kinds of stuff. But let's do something. Let's jump over here and we'll go into the Lightburn software. All right, so here I've Googled Lightburn. So we're gonna go to Lightburn software. Okay, we're gonna go to downloads. Let's see, downloads. Public, I believe this is a public release candidate. It's not like, it's like considered still beta, so we'll click on that. In order to improve the quality, stability of official releases, we offer a release candidate period for new releases. So this looks like we can all play with this and then give them our feedback if we see something wrong or if we like something. All right, looks like, is that a link? That's a link. Okay. See, now this is where I get, is it this one or this one? I don't know which one to do. I have no idea. I am not a computer. Oh, there's another one here. Release candidate. I'm going to do this one. That looks like Windows. I want Windows. Install. Okay. It's doing a thing. Extracting files, creating shortcuts, registering files. Okay, so we went through all the rigmarole, and here we are. Accept. And as you can see up here in this corner, we have Lightburn Pro 2.0. That must be release candidate 2. And whatever that means. Okay, right off the bat, I see two things that caught my eye. This thing now has a little green triangle on the bottom. And, oh, hey, so now we have our rectangle, ellipse, triangle, pentagon, polygon, octagon, star, dual star. Okay, hold on. What's this? Cool. Let's do that again. What's this one? No way. That's cool. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I watched one video late last night as I was falling asleep, and I don't remember a lot of it. So, shape properties? Oh, look at all this stuff over here. Okay, so you can raise how many points you want up. That's cool. Wow, look at that. Bulge? What does bulge do? Oh, okay. Ratio. Oh, nice. No freaking way. What's ratio 2? Hold on. Ratio 1? Oh, it moves the inside. Okay, ratio 2 moves the outside, the four little, these ones here, apparently. Let's do the same thing with this one. What do we got here? Do we have the same thing? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Bulge kind of rounds it out. So now you have a flower. No way. Okay. Ratio. What's ratio going to do? Oh, wow. So let's go here. Let's go here. Let's grab one of these. Put it here. And let's get that out of the way and go back up here. Alright, so we got this. We got that. Turn that black. We're gonna center it. We're gonna grab our heart. You know what? I like that to be down just a little bit. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, and we'll look at a preview. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? Okay, 2.0 is freaking cool. I like it already. All right, so let's scrap that. That was pretty fun. What's this? What is this? Open the Boolean tools. Okay, I don't have anything. Okay, this is something different. There's red around this one. All right. Oh. Okay. I just saw this, so that means that this was the last thing that we used, so that's going to still be there. So let's click on that. And let's do a rectangle. And let's do a triangle. And let's do a circle. Hold down shift because, well, I missed it. I hold down control. Oh, well. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Okay. Get out of here. Collect those. Now, what is this? That's not working. Why is that not working? Oh, it already did something. I wasn't even watching. Let's go back. Weld all shapes together. And it did that. Well, that's nifty. All right. But what's this? How come this isn't working? Is it only, can I only have two? Ah, I can only have two. I had them all selected. My bad. I'm sorry. All right. Oh, look at this. Want this one? No, I want that one. No. Control Z. I'm hitting Control Z. Want that one? No, that just gets rid of that one. Control Z. And that one. Ah, there's the assistant. I didn't see that one before. Okay, so this one now you get to just go over here and just hover over each one like in the previous version, which is cool. All right. Okay. Sweet. Now let's click on this thing and hit that. All right, that looks exactly the same. I don't know why. If anybody remembers, I'll have to. If anybody remembers, if there was that red around that when it got selected. Ooh, all this stuff is lit up now. Why? That's weird. Okay. Outward. Outer shapes only. Delete original, select. Okay, and then we've got a bigger one. All right, cool. So all that stuff works the same as the last one. Awesome. Well, right off the bat, without me digging into it any further, that's what I saw right away. You've got the Boolean assistant that's down on the main menu. You've got a few more options in your primitives. You've got a star, a double star, and it's all there. You just have to click, and it leaves what you did the last time on. So be aware, that's going to be something to get used to, trying to go back and do things. If you have a square there and you want to do something else, you have to go over there and click that, drop it down, and then change that. But I think it stays lit up. Let's go back and look at that one more time. So I want this. Let's do a triangle. And then okay, so it stays lit up, so it knows, so that's good. At least it's visible that you have gotten that one, and then you can do this, and then that stays lit up. So if you do another one, you can just keep doing that. All right, that makes a lot of sense. Cool. So we've got a few more options in, I'm sure there's more stuff available, but this is just a quick look at what they did with 2.0. Go download it, play with it, figure it out. I can tell you, I'm going to be out here for a little bit looking into it, and I'm going to be doing some research on some videos and looking into their FAQ. Yeah. So, and I'll find out what they did different here. But anyways, those are a couple of neat things. And what I really like is the fact that over in shape properties, you've got all those extra things that you can do to make a flower out of a star or do whatever. So, hey guys, 2.0 Lightburn, check it out. Thanks. See you on the next one.